Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, but we're not making soap today. I actually have too much soap. I've kind of gone gung-ho and haven't been giving it out quickly enough. I usually keep 4 batches here curing. I have 6 batches curing, plus what I have at the church. So I'm going to do what I promised I would do after a few weeks, and this is a fragrance review. So I'm glad I got my wife's and my daughter's attention or opinion, because this is the black raspberry from Brambleberry. I can't smell a thing. To me, it's a complete dud. But my wife and my daughter both said that it has a nice moderate scent. It's very nice. So don't go by me. I would say go by them. So apparently that is a good one. The next one is the Italian Limoncello from Brambleberry. This is absolutely awesome out of the bottle. Really bright and citrusy. It has mellowed in the soap. I can smell it, and my daughter also says it has a moderate smell. To me, it's kind of weak, but she says it's moderate. The next is Coastal Watermelon from Castor Choice that I bought from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This one I liked well enough that I went ahead and bought a big bottle. I'm going to do a big batch up at church. And the last one was the pineapple papaya. Out of the bottle, smells fantastic. I can smell it in the soap, but it's weak. And my daughter says of all the 4 here, she can smell it, but it's the weakest. So I don't think I would get it. But if you like a mild to moderate scent, there you go. Once again, the Coastal Watermelon's great. My daughter says the Italian Limoncello has a moderate, and my wife and daughter both say that Brambleberry's Black Raspberry Vanilla has a nice strong scent, so strong to moderate scent. So anyway, that's all I have for right now. I'm going to be out for a couple of weeks. I'll probably have an experiment I'm going to show you next week, and then probably after that I'll be ready to start making soap again. So that's what I have for now, and as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed, and I will see you later. Bye everybody.